is not a no big reward, but it is going to be a big reward. Because when by the time you leave, you walk away with your hand them clean. You walk away with your hand clean. I never do you nothing, I never hurt you, I never do you back, not even a percentage of what you do me. You understand? You just walk away with grace when the time come, and you are going to be irreplaceable for that, and that will always be his karma. That will always be in karma. He's gonna look for you in everybody. Everybody. And will never can't find you. You're a beautiful girl, Shannel. I'ma feel like say people just judge people outward appearance. You see the soul of the monkey have, yeah, see, yes, the beauty just start show from the inside out. I don't know if it makes sense. I don't know if it makes sense. Alright, about come down. Uno just want to baga. It not nice where she go through. It don't nice. It don't nice. Me a woman and me a mother. I 3 kids I have. That not nice. It not nice. I'ma just pray. I have it in my prayers. Me never have a stranger so in my prayers. My ball tears yesterday. My ball make a video. I'ma break down again in the video ball over my page. Me I cried tears about the situation. I don't know it from anywhere. That's crazy. Yes, we understand say yes as she put herself it, but you not tell me say una perfect. Una never go in our situation, una never find yourself in our situation. So you see people will get up and talk about and you put yourself through it, those are people who don't know if to take accountability. Cause you're gonna make it seem like say, every time when something bad happen to you, it's somebody's fault. Or yeah, look somebody for blame. Yes, I should know say she don't know say she put herself in it or whatever the case may be. She never asked to get hated though. When the time comes, she done trauma bonded to the situation. When the time comes, she will leave. When the time comes, she will know to leave. Come on now. Why would you always tie kids to mother? Why would you say why him not there around him kids? You always tie kids to mother. A mother alone have kids? Father not have kids? Why don't you say where the father under the run pitney them or whatever? Come on. Say her mother have the pitney them and she take a break. She take a break. We don't want to say a cocky she watch her. Me not stop nobody from getting a talk with a she for I don't know. Me not stop nobody from getting a talk. Me just the writer so. Sorry for myself. No man, me have a heart man. Me have to say these people walk up every day and when the man them friends down them say, oh, I know me a good somebody, I know me good, I know me this, I know me a good somebody, but when I sit down and I support these madness that is going on. A madness are going. Shannel, I don't want to add nobody else. You need for add me as a moderator too. You know, everything up for us is. Well, we just can't talk. You understand? It come upon me for talk, so I have to do my part in the universe and talk my talk and do my part. So my conscience now. Let go my conscience and say my 2 cents to her. We have to give people grace. We have to give people grace.
Thank you, Trim.
You have to give people grace, Shannel. Shannel, it's gonna get better, trust me. If me can tell you that, girl, if you know my story, me have a similar chapter in my story too. And me can look back on it and me tell you, say, in the moment, it's like when people, no matter what nobody tell me, or oh, they might try to sympathize with me, and I tell me, say, oh, it's like me just couldn't see myself nowhere else. Like, even though they must see it, and they must see a nice girl, this, and you know, they really say, it's like me couldn't see it until God lead me out of it. I know me can look back on it. You understand?
True.
So it's going to happen. I know right now you say that it just feel important. You can't go and talk because You don't even have the strength right now to fight for yourself, much to fight, to move on.
Thank
Right
you,
now, you want the
Trim.
strength for yourself. You get better. You get better. I feel like you can add on some people, Shania, but you just don't come stress out the girl, man. You have to learn to give grace to people. You have to learn to give grace. So, all I did fool at one time, because it's a fool to where you don't know. If she don't know how to move on, she's a fool to moving on. If she don't know how to move on, them say it's a fool to what they don't know. So if she don't know how to move on, she's a fool to moving on. And I just that I go on right now. She know, girl. She know. Me know y'all are probably say, who them are, the people are tell us say, one day I go sorry, and y'all say, knowing him, knowing how him stay, me not think that day they go come. I feel like I'm go always a run back him, girl, and if you're surprised when the day come. It feel like say he go always he go always have the upper hand and he go always have the angle, he go always have the blade. And people are say to you, say, one day I go sorry, one day I go regret it, and in the day I look on them and say, you don't know who that. That name is Mr. Cole. And then the day finally come. Can't believe it. It gets better though. It gets better. It gets better. But the environment definitely becomes who you are. And I'm not even here to bash anybody. The environment just, you know. When I like talk about it, I come like me, I get emotional again. I say, I'm friend, say, me love ball.
Okay,
But,
that's fine.
um, yeah, yeah. Add some people, man, Shannel, make them pour into you. You need the strength. You need the strength. Nobody afraid to listen to nobody. Nobody afraid to listen to nobody else.
If not nobody else, then I add them one by one. And I add them up.
Like, you can take me down, add somebody else if you want.
Alright. That's all right. Oh my. God, I'm a tourist. I'm gonna go for my juice. God, I'm not saying I'm this man gonna get cold here. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna come off. I'm gonna sleep, so I'm probably come on back in the morning.